Hi, hello, and how do you do? We all welcome you. This is where we sing and play and learn new things each day. Hi, hello.
Hello everyone, hope you all are good and safe at home. Welcome back to our educational channel. Dear students, today we are going to start our new lesson that is called The Mango Grove. Unit 7, lesson number 7, The Mango Grove. In this video, we are going to study about reading 6 paragraph, new words and explanation of the 6 paragraphs. This is the first part of the lesson we are going to study in this video. So here you can see the list of meaning of new words. Take the screenshot and write it down in your English notebook. So without further delay, let's start our reading the paragraphs. So before going to start reading, you should keep your textbook in front of you and put your finger. The mango grew. Come quickly, Maya screamed to her friend Natasha as she grabbed her hand and led her to the grove just behind their apartment block. They are going to cut down the mango grove and make a building there, she whispered loudly in Natasha's ear. What? Natasha could not believe it. They cannot do that. Shaggy lives there and so does Cuckoo. Shaggy and Cuckoo were the pet animals given by the girls to a rabbit and parrot respectively. They do not care, said Maya. The mayor and the builder have signed a contract. Her voice trailed off. She was clearly upset. We must do something. Natasha was thinking fast, nodding firmly as though making a decision of their own. They both turned around and walked towards the central library. So, here this is the story about the cutting down the mango grove. Here, grove means a group of trees. Which trees? If it is a mango trees, group of mango trees, we can call mango grove. If it is other trees, if it is other group of trees, then we can call other grove. Is it? So here, two friends. The main characters are two characters. They are Natasha and Maya. So here Maya screamed. Maya screamed to Natasha, means called to the Natasha, come quickly, and she said to the Natasha, Maya said to Natasha, they are means here who? The mayor and the builder have signed a contract. She said that because she heard something where in the mango groves, mayor and the builder have signed a contract. They are talking there. They are going to cut down the mango grove and building and making a building there. So when she said, then she become wonder. She could not believe who Natasha, and she become wonder what, because if they have cut down the mango grove, the Cuckoo and Shaggy and Cuckoo means here rabbit and parrot were living that mango grove. Then where they will live, where they will go if you cut down the mango grove? They are thinking lot about those animals. So then Maya said they do not care about them because they already signed it, because that is a government property. They have to do anything. Then Natasha said that we have to do something. We must do something to save our mango grove. what we have to do. Then suddenly they went to the central library. So next, the mango grove was a beautiful thicket of green right in the middle of their town, surrounded by red dusty roads. It led everyone to its cool embrace. A variety of mango trees grew there, with Alfonso, the king of mangoes, ruling the grove. Natasha, now 9 years old, and her friend Maya, who was turning 10 this year, spent all their afternoons here after school, sitting beneath the shade of the trees as the birds chirped and the rabbits ran by before rushing home to do their homework. This was the only green area left in their town, and lots of families used to have picnic there on weekends. So here in this paragraph describing the mango grove, so here the mango grove was a beautiful thicket, green. It was green, and right side of the apartment, means here apartments are there. It is the right side of the apartment in the middle of their town, and it was surrounded by red dusty roads, means red color soil, red color mud. So it is looks very beautiful, and that is dusty roads are looking like borders, red color borders of surrounded by that mango grove, and it's giving everyone cool embrace, means cool climate. It was very cool climate, so that, and Alfonso, it is the king of the mangoes are grew there, and that is ruling the grove. And here Natasha is 9 years old, and Maya just she turned 10 this year. Only 1 year difference between them, and they will spend all their afternoons while coming to school. After the school, they will sit there beneath the shade of the trees, and they will do their homework. After they will move to the home, and while doing the homework, and after they take the rest there, and they are playing with the Shaggy and Cuckoo all there in that mango grove. So before rushing to do their homework, means before going to home, they will do their homework in the mango grove. And it is not only for their useful, but everybody who are living in surrounded by that area, all lot of families are used that one to have a picnic here weekends there. Means there. Is it clear? Next paragraph. If they destroy all the trees, what will happen? Thought Natasha. She was trying hard to comprehend the situation. Then, as if thinking aloud, she blurted, "Fools! Don't they know how important trees are? They are the lungs of our town. How dare they even think of doing this? We have to stop them, Maya." So here Natasha thought, means she was thinking, and she said in front of the Maya, if they destroy all the trees, what will happen? And she trying to hard to comprehend the situation. In the future, what will happen if they destroyed all the trees? What will happen? She think a lot. That situation is very bad. Then she become angry, and she show that angry to the, and also she scold to the government. Fools! Like she scold, "Fools! Don't they know how important trees are? They are the lungs of our town. The government didn't know how important the trees are. So without trees we cannot live. Is it? Because the trees were giving oxygen to the human beings. If we cut down the trees, how will we get oxygen to live human being? So that they are the lungs of our town. Not only people, they are the lungs of our town. How dare they are even think of doing this? We have to stop them, Maya. So Natasha said these words. Natasha was, next paragraph, Natasha was a bookworm. She recalled reading something about revolutions that took place in faraway lands. She was keen to recreate that and incite a revolution against this insane idea of chopping down the mango grove. She know she now wanted to read about how to create a revolution. Feeling taller than her 3 feet 4 inches, she felt sure that planet Earth would thank her for this. So here describing about the Natasha. Natasha was a girl, very nice girl. She was a bookworm. She was very interested in reading the books. Whatever she want to get any information, any knowledge, she directly read the books. She was very keen, very interested. Keen means very interested to read the books. So that she recalled the reading something about the revolution. Revolution means here what we say revolution means horata, is it? In Kannada we say chaluvali. So revolution that took place for our lands, in the which place have already had taken the places, how they have done the revolution and how they are successful in the other lands. So she by reading recall them and she went to library and she started to reading to do the revolution. And how can we do the revolution? She wanted to read that one. So insane means here behavior, that behavior of idea, like chopping down the mango grove, that how can we do, how can we stop that one. So she wanted to read about how to do the revolution. Then when she sat in the library, she kept all the books 3 foot 4 inch, and she sure that she felt means she felt that the planet Earth means the world would thank her for this doing the revolution by saving the mango grove. So that she wanted to do something and stop to cutting down the trees. Next paragraph, both the girls pored over thick history books. After what seems ages, Maya clicked her fingers. Here it is, Natasha. We need to collect lots of thick bamboo sticks and march to the government office. Natasha was spectacled. Where we will get all this stuff from? We have to find another way. There is no other way, Maya said, grinding her teeth. We have to stop them, Natasha, or the town will lose its only picnic area and Shaggy will lose his home. The thought of the little brown rabbit losing his home disturbing Natasha, she got up immediately. Let's round up our friends and get the sticks and bats ready. So when they both sat to read books to get the ideas to create the revolution, both girls poured means here spread all the history books up to 4 to 5 inch. They kept all the books in front of them, and Maya raised her finger, means clicked her finger, because she something got one idea, one information. Then she said that here it is, Natasha, we need to collect lots of bamboo sticks and march to the government office. But Natasha was spectacle. Spectacle means she did not convince that one, because that is very harmful idea. It is very not, it is silence, become silence, it will be very harmful, that idea. So that she said that where we will get all these stuff items stuff from, we have to find another way. Then Maya said that no Natasha, there is no other way. We have to fight with against government by collecting the bamboo sticks and to the march to the government office. So grinding the teeth, she said that we have to stop them, Natasha, or else what will happen? Our town will be lose our picnic area. Only one picnic area we have surrounded by in our town. We will lose that. Not only we, those animals, Shaggy and Cuckoo also lose their home. She said, Maya said, then Natasha become disturbed. Means because she was loving more about those animals. They are very pet animals, her pet animals. So when Shaggy and Cuckoo lose their home, then suddenly she immediately got up, stand up and get ready for that idea. They fixed that idea to do the revolution. Then she said that let's round up our friends. Means we have to gather our friends and get the sticks and bats ready to march the government office. Is it clear? Okay, the next day the girls reached school early and went from classroom to classroom gathering support. The word spread like lightning, and soon the two girls' army grew into a 150 strong army. There was an old abandoned house close to the school. Its courtyard was used as a thick stockyard as bats and hockey sticks and other bamboo sticks piled up. One child arranged a van that would carry all their ammunition to the government building. So when they fixed that idea to do the revolution, to create the revolution, so next morning they both reached the school and also informed to all their friends, and they went to the classroom and to get the support and to gather the many friends to do the revolution. So they spread that news like lightning. It become lightning, and everybody get ready to do the help for them. And that two girls army became 150 strong army. And they also find a world abandoned, means fully that is broken, that is not useful for the living to any people. So that house near to the school, so it is used, they used to the keep all the stuffs, means items, hockey stick, bamboo stick, all those tools, stuffs to keep there. They choose that old building, old house, and they kept bats every day. While coming to school, they will bring the bats and hockey sticks. Before going to the classroom, they will keep all the stuff in this old abandoned house, those sticks. And also one child arranged a van to go to the government office and to bring all the sticks, to keep all the sticks. They arranged one van to carry all the ammunition, means here weapons, those are the weapons for them, is it? So here ammunition means what here? Ballets, tools, those to the government building. So today's paragraphs this much. I hope you understood. Now I am going to explain briefly by showing the pictures. Look at here. See here. So Maya screamed to her Natasha because she saw there the mayor and the builder are talking each other to cut down the mango grove and make a building there. So she screamed, "Come quickly, Maya." So here going on like this. So when she said, she became upset and she did not believe that, and she said that no, we have to stop them because there Shaggy and Cuckoo were living there in that mango grove. Look at the picture. Because Maya said they do not care about those animals and they do not have that much humanity. Then Natasha said that we must do something, and they decided to go to the central library to search any news to do something. And here look at the picture of the mango grove. Looks very nice, and it is surrounded by red dusty roads. So look at here, and the mangoes, are variety of mangoes or trees are there, and Alfonso, it is the king of the mango. So Natasha now 9 years and Maya 10 years old. So look at it there in that mango grove, all the peoples are enjoying, taking the rest, and rabbits, cuckoos, and also Maya and Natasha are doing their homework before going to home. Is it? It become like a picnic area to all the families who are living near that mango grove. Is it clear? Okay, and so when they came into library, they started to reading and searching the information about the revolution, how to do, because here Natasha was a bookworm. Is it? So they have to stop them. She started to recall reading the revolution books, and also she was interested to recreate the revolution again. Here incent means behavior. She now wanted to create a revolution, and she started reading and kept all the book in front of them, and she was very sure that by this we will feel very proud. The planet Earth means our society will feel thankful for this. And Maya got and clicked her finger. She got an idea, and she said that we need to collect lots of thick bamboo sticks and march to the government. But Natasha was become doubtful. She easily not convinced. Then she said that Maya said that no, Maya, it is only one. This is only one way. There is no other way. Otherwise, we will lose our Shaggy and cuckoos, and also we lose our picnic area. Then she got up. Natasha got up and get ready for that, and they came to school and informed to all the friends, and who are interested, they joined that group, and the two girls army become 150 strong army. Then they choose the old abandoned house to keep all the stuffs. Look at the picture. It is an abandoned house, means it is not to live any other people. So they kept there. While coming to school, they kept all the bamboo sticks, all those, and also one child arranged a van to carry those all the ammunitions to the government. So this is the today's paragraph. I hope you understood. So we will continue in the next video. Now take down the homework. Write the meaning of new words in English notebook one time and read the whole lesson and the meaning of new words 2 times. So thank you for watching the video. We will meet soon.